Did you know you can back up all the data on your stolen Samsung Galaxy, even after it's gone? Yup, today I'm showing you some insanely cool Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks that most people don't even know exist. So if you want to unlock the full power of your Galaxy phone, let's jump right in. Back up your data even if you've lost your phone. All right, imagine your phone is stolen. Scary, right? But here's the cool part. If you've set things up beforehand, you can back up your entire phone remotely, even if it's gone. Here's what you need to do right now. 1. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy, Find My Mobile. 2. Make sure Allow this phone to be found is turned on. Now, if your phone ever gets stolen, just visit findmymobile.samsung.com on your computer. Log into your Samsung account. Select your lost device and tap Back Up. Boom, your data gets saved to Samsung Cloud, ready to be restored to your new phone. And once backed up, you can also erase the data remotely to protect your privacy. Your screenshots can open websites? Get ready for this. Your Galaxy phone can actually read your screenshots and take you directly to the website shown in them. Crazy, right? Just open your gallery, tap on a screenshot, like one from Amazon, and if the option appears, hit Go to Website. It'll open your browser and load that exact web page. Filters, search terms, and all. It even remembers what you were shopping for. Add WhatsApp chats to your home screen. If you use WhatsApp a lot, you'll love this one. You can add any chat to your home screen for quick access. Here's how. 1. Long press the chat. 2. Tap the 3 dots on the top right. 3. Select Add Chat shortcut. Tap Add. Now, that chat will be on your home screen just like an app. One tap and you're in. No need to open WhatsApp first. Stay connected even if Wi-Fi drops. If you hate losing connection during Zoom meetings or classes, this trick is for you. 1. Go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information. 2. Tap Build Number. 7 times to unlock developer options. 3. Now go to Developer Options and search for Mobile Data Always Active. 4. Turn it on. Now, even when you're on Wi-Fi, mobile data stays ready in the background. If Wi-Fi cuts out, it instantly switches to mobile. No drops, no lag. Run a full hardware check on your phone. Feel like something's off with your phone? You can actually diagnose all your hardware yourself. No technician needed. 1. Go to Settings, Battery and Device Care, Diagnostics. 2. Tap Phone Diagnostics. You can test everything: cameras, fingerprint sensor, mic, battery health, and more. Just hit Test All and let it do its thing. If something's wrong, this is the fastest way to find out. Control notifications better than iPhone users can. Here's a feature iPhones still don't have: per category notifications. Let's say you use TikTok. Maybe you want notifications for comments and DMs, but not for likes or new followers. Here's how to do that. 1. Long press the app, tap the info icon. 2. Go to Notifications, tap Notification Categories. Choose what you want to keep and what to turn off. You get full control over the exact notifications you want, way better than Apple's all-or-nothing approach. That's it for today's Galaxy tips. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found something new today, drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss more hidden Galaxy gems. Catch you in the next one. Peace.